Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is December 10th, 2025, and today I'm going to talk about how can we wire cash from Interactive Brokers to Fidelity. It's not very easy to find this kind of information online, especially the step-by-step guide. So I just did this, so I figured it might be good for me to share my finding. So first of all, let's look at the Fidelity instruction on how can you wire your cash to Fidelity. Most of us probably be interested on the brokerage side there. So they also have instruction on the mutual fund side, but let's just focus on the brokerage side there. So basically, Fidelity itself is not a bank. The wire goes to Fidelity, who needs to go to a host bank, and their host bank is Chase, JP Morgan Chase. And the address is like this one, the 3A3 Madison Avenue in New York City. So it also gives like a routing number, account number. So this is the account number. It's not like our own account number. It's Fidelity as like a client of the Chase Bank. So this is Fidelity's account number there. So basically we are wiring our money to Fidelity on Chase Bank. So from the interactive broker side, we can select once we log in to the account management from the transfer and pay, we can select the transfer funds. And then you will see this menu coming up. Then select the withdraw funds. And then since it is our first time adding like a new payment method, we'll choose this use a new withdraw method. And then there will be several options, and we're gonna choose this one called band wire. So notice that Interactive Broker only allow like a one free withdrawal per calendar month, meaning like in December, for the whole entire December, you can withdraw once without paying any fee. Any additional withdrawal would need to pay like another $10 fee there. So it's not the end of the world, but let's try to avoid that if not necessary. So probably carefully plan how much amount that we want to withdraw from our investment account. So after that, we can click this use this muscle button, and now it will pop up this like a menu for us to fill in the information. So in this menu, it says like where would the fund be deposited. We need to click on this drop down menu, and then select non-bank financial institution. So notice that Fidelity itself is not a bank. So it itself has like a host bank instead of itself being a bank there. And then select United States there. So after you do that, the menu will change to this layout and fill in this kind of information. So where do we get those kind of information? If you remember earlier from the Fidelity instruction, those are the information. So we basically need to fill in the account number. So this 066196-221 will be the Fidelity account number at Chase. So fill those two in here. And then we'll also need to fill in the ABA routing number. So this 021 number, fill it in. And once you fill in, there will be a menu for you to select the band. So we can select the band that says here. The address will be like 383 Madison Avenue, and the zip code is 10017. So make sure to match this address for the particular Chase band that we're selecting. So confirm the ABA routing number is correct. And then the financial institution name, here it says should be National Financial Services LLC. So this is the entity that Fidelity used to accept cash, I think. And here would be the account number and the financial institute. institution, so we need to fill in your Fidelity account number. So notice this is now like the interactive broker account number. This should be the Fidelity account number here. And then continue the menu. So we just look at this, like the account number, make sure the bank address is correct, and then fill in the entity name, National Financial Services LLC, fill in the Fidelity account number, and you can give it an account nickname. This one is just for ourselves. We can name you whatever, like my favorite band or something. But for simplicity, I'll just name it Fidelity in this case. And then there will be like the account holder name. So basically just your name. Ideally, I think your name at Interactive Brokers and Fidelity should match to each other. So I don't know if you're sending money to somebody that's other than your name, would that be like an extra step or not there? So, but most of the time it's just like sending money to ourselves in another financial institute. And then you can save the bank information. And then it will ask you to confirm this information is correct. So let's check it one more time. Like we have the nickname. So here it's called information name again. So there's a little bit inconsistency, but that's the meaning of it. And the entity name of the financial institution, which is this National Financial Services LLC, and then the account number of Fidelity. Check that's correct, and this is the address, the bank, JP Morgan Chase, and then the address like the 383 Madison Avenue in New York City. Check the ABA account routing number and the bank account number, and then the account holder's name. So after that, I think you need to like on the UI, you need to input your username and password, and then you'll send you a push notification to the TWS app, and then you can authenticate on the app. Only after that, we'll proceed to the next step. So if it passes the authentication, then we'll give you like this confirmation page. Say your wire information was confirmed, and then like again check this information again. So this information is safe in the bank. So the in your interactive brokers. So next time when you issue like a transfer, and this will be an option for you to choose, so that you can just like select this wire to Fidelity option and then put in the number, the amount of dollar that you want to wire to Fidelity there. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button. It really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Subscribing also helps the algorithm recommend similar videos to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.